How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. Such a beautiful yet cold day here in Ohio. 40 degrees or late 30s, something like that. I've got Squirt on flat work. She's doing a great job. We're here in this beautiful gated community called Wetherington. I work here a lot, make a lot of noise, get a lot of attention, stay busy. Doing all the flat work here, little work in the back, cleaning some window sills. It's coming along nicely. Hey, if you like pressure washing videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab and leave a comment. All of that serves to help the channel, and maybe you'll be blessed and benefited as well. So the way that I've taught Squirt to do flat work is to always work away from the truck. So she began right here, and you'll watch her when she gets to the top up here, she'll do a little figure 8, and she never has to work over her hose. So you'll see she made that left-hand turn. When she gets to the bottom, she'll make a right-hand turn. She never has to work over top of her hose in any way. This is the second of 3 opportunities on the day, all flat work. We have one more after this, considerably larger than this job. I work for this family every year, and then I work for this family every year, and several more on this street. Now, before anyone asks, we chose to not pre-treat this. It's really just not that dirty. Again, I wash it just about every year. However, I will post-treat simply by downstreaming, and then we're going to move the flowers off of the porch and do this area, some furniture in the back, a few brick walls, and we'll head to opportunity number 3. She is using the 31-inch Mini Mondo surface cleaner attached to about 100 feet of 3/8 inch pressure washing hose, and we're using the 10 GPM Honda IGX 800 pressure washer. She's just getting the hang of this, so I'm not pressuring her in any way, no pun intended. She can move considerably faster than what she's doing. I just want her to get used to it. When we get to the next opportunity, there's a lot more flat work, and by then she'll get the hang of it. She'll do just fine. And just so everybody knows, I do have gear for her on order from finprint.com. I'll leave a link in the description. By the time it is strictly warm weather, her t-shirts will be in. So this nice couple had only asked me to spray off the furniture, but I'm back here and it makes sense to tackle the entire patio, bird poo, little algae along the windowsills, all of that going the extra mile pays off in the long run. Now I should tell you that they do not ask for a price in advance. I come and do work for them, and then I bill them, and they're very, very happy. At this point, I have sprayed SH over everything, just a coat, let it dwell for a minute, and now I'm spraying everything off. Trying not to get Michaela wet. And we are done. All right, thank you very much for watching. My name is Mike, they call me The Fresh Rinse. Hey, before we leave, if you have not already liked and subscribed, will you do that? Hit the bell tab. We'll spend lots of time together. And I don't know how that you couldn't enjoy that. Off to the next one. This was opportunity 2 of 3. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Get out there and wash and enjoy yourselves. My name's Mike, they call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.